Good job mowing. You're silly. Come on, get. Is that funny? Oh, those giant stick he's chewing up. Sam's. Come on, come mow. There you go. Good job, mow. You're okay. Bubba's crazy. Sam's, come. Sam's. You're a silly guy. Come on, let's mow. Good job. Can you quit trying to run me over? Come on. Set it down. You gotta set it down right. Push. I don't know. Meltdown time. You always have a meltdown. You wanna go see the truck? Let's go see the big truck. Come on, let's go. Hear it? Let's go get it. Truck. Come on, let's go see. Hi. Come on. You want a side? Good boy. No way, let's go. You want to go for a walk? Daddy really hates it when you crawl up the stairs by yourself, buddy. Do you want? Come on, let's go. Go for a walk. See the truck. You hear it? Come on, let's go for a walk. Okay, just run down the stairs. You're okay. Come on, let's go see the truck.